Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing things a little differently, diving deep into the world of design. We've got 5 AI tools you need to know about, tools poised to replace traditional CAD software. We're talking next-level design capabilities, AI-powered automation, and features you wouldn't even believe. Whether you're an engineer, architect, or just interested in the future of design, this video is for you. So, grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started.
Kicking things off with Tool 1, an AI-powered design tool that's all about user-friendliness and incredible capabilities. Imagine a world where complex designs become as simple as dragging and dropping. That's the kind of experience we're talking about. Tool 1 boasts an intuitive interface that feels familiar right out of the gate, even if you're new to CAD. But don't let that fool you. Under the hood lies a powerful engine capable of handling complex geometry and intricate details with ease. What truly sets Tool 1 apart is its AI-driven design assistance. As you work, the software learns your style, anticipates your needs, and even suggests design improvements you might have missed. It's like having a dedicated design assistant by your side, guiding you through every step of the process and ensuring stunning results.
Next up, we've got Tool 2, an AI powerhouse that takes automation to a whole new level. We're talking about streamlining your workflow, eliminating tedious tasks, and freeing you up to focus on the creative aspects of design. Tool 2 excels at automating repetitive processes, like generating complex patterns, optimizing designs for specific parameters, or even converting hand-drawn sketches into precise 3-dimensional models. And the best part? It does all of this with incredible speed and accuracy, thanks to its advanced AI algorithms. Imagine being able to iterate through dozens of design variations in the time it would normally take to create just one. That's the power of Tool 2. It's like having an army of virtual assistants working tirelessly behind the scenes to bring your design visions to life. Now let's talk about Tool 3, an AI-powered design platform that's changing the game with its seamless collaboration and cloud integration. Gone are the days of working in silos and emailing files back and forth. Tool 3 allows teams to work together